Okay, so it. Naya, you gonna put some more in the cup?
Not done yet.
Not done yet. Look at. What are you looking at? What? Who out there? Why you gotta make all that noise with that cup though? It's done. It's gone. It's gone. Naya, it's gone. Just be, you don't even know what you doing and you looking at people like they doing stuff wrong. It's like you trying to find something to critique. Could you please cut that living room light off and stop shaking all and making all that noise with that cup? Please. I can't. First of all, it definitely ain't nobody in the living room that you waving to. And I'm going to need you to stop making all that noise with that cup. Can I record a video? See, that's what you get. That's what you get. That's exactly what you get. That's exactly what you get for being grown. Why is she always waving to nobody, y'all? Why? Nye, is you done with the ice or no? Is you done with the ice or no? What you chewing? Put some more coffee or whatever you're going to put in there. So, you mad at Mr. Willie? Because he don't know what he doing? You mad? Why don't you do the floors for your mom? You don't want to do them for me? Why you keep looking out the window?
Make sure they...
It's a house. There's not even nobody over there. You waiting for him to finish? He gonna be in there for some hours now. You know that, right? What you pointing at? He not even right there. You go take a nap or something. Oh, your bed. You can't. I can't. I cannot. Y'all, this is y'all niece. Come get her, please. Come get her. Ain't no... That's the back door now. Ain't nothing back there. What? What are you doing, Nye? Why are you looking so mean? Like what? Nye, what?
Any other way, no.
I can't. Naya. Naya might as well do the floor. She got to critique every doggone thing. Really, Naya? What is you even looking at? The floor is on the ground. Why are you looking way over there? But why is you walking around? I cannot. I can't. I can't, y'all. Ain't don't you even. Don't you even. Don't you even. You know what? I'm going, y'all. It's over. It's over. This girl's she got issues. She got issues. Really, Nye? I can't. How you mad but you don't even know how to do the work? That's what I'm trying to figure out. How you mad but you don't know how to do the work, though? What is that? Oh, God. Tell the people later with your silly...